Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 10 sleep option is missing. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, in the search box type a control panel. Open a control panel. After doing this tab, go to your power options. After opening that, now select choose what the power button does. After doing this tab, click on a change settings that are currently unavailable. After doing this tab, check it sleep and uncheck it. After doing this tab, click on a save button and close it. After doing this tab, you can see data sleep options. The second method is that in the search box type a cmd, open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is power cfg space dash restore default schemes and press enter. After doing this step, type a exit and exit the command prompt. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type a cmd, open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is msdt.exe space slash id space power diagnosis and press enter. When you click on click on the next button, and it's required of a few seconds to detecting the issue. Now after doing this step, close it, exit the command prompt, restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager. Go to your display adapter, select a display adapter, right click on update driver, search automatically from device. Now click on and close it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.